નમસ્તે, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી. Hello students, today we are going to learn standard 6th English unit number 1, the world of colors. As you know students, in previous videos we learned activity 1 to 4th. Now today we have to do activity number 5th, 6th and 7th. But before that we have to revise it. First of all, in activity first we studying about lessons main part, the quarreling colors part 1. In that lesson we discussed the quarrel between rainbow's color. In activity second we discussed the related to activity first question answers. We completed all the things in our earlier video. Now we also discussed in activity second the classroom activity with our classmates. In activity 3 we studied about question answer related to first part of quarreling color. We also completed it. And fourth activity is the lessons main part second, the quarreling color part second, we also completed. Now on based that lesson quarreling colors part second, we have to do some more activity from activity 5th. So now student, let's start it. Activity 5th is given here. See, first of all I read from the text. Everybody have to keep attention there. Activity 5th I started. Just as all the colors helped to make a rainbow, everyone can help to make school a better place to learn. As you know in earlier activity that all colors joined with each other and make a beautiful rainbow. Like that all the students of classroom combine and make a school better place. Everybody knows. Look at this picture with a partner or group. Here one picture given. You have to observe that picture. Based on that picture you have to give answers. Name all the things you see in the picture. After observing the picture you have to give the things name. Which type of things you can see? What is this? You have to give the name. Think together about some ways the students in this school could help in the classroom. And think all the classmates think together how we make our school better and our classroom better. Just we have to think about it in that activity number 5. First of all, observe the picture. Beautiful picture related to our classroom is given here. See, classroom's picture is given here. Blackboard is there, chair, tables, everything is there. So it is a school's classroom. It is a classroom. After observing that classroom we have to give answer related to that question. Now we have to do activity downside. First of all I read from here. Use the picture to help you write 2 sentences about things you can do to help in your school. You have to observe that picture and from that picture you have to give 2 sentences how you can manage your classroom very well. Just give 2 observation here. First sentence, here I give my observation, just you can write your observation here. First I write here as a answer. We can arrange the furniture in proper order. My first suggestion is there. We can arrange the furniture in proper order. I give first suggestion there. We can arrange the furniture in proper order. It's my opinion, but your opinion will be different. My thinking is there. We can arrange the furniture in proper order. First suggestion I give. After that Second suggestion I also give, we can clean the floor. We can clean the floor. We can clean the floor. Second suggestion by me. So both suggestion I give. This is in your textbook. You have to write two answers in your textbook only. Just complete in your textbook. Fill up these things as an example in your textbook. After completing my suggestion, now what's happened? We have to see it there. Share your sentences with your classmates. Listen to the ideas of other classmates. First of all, we have to share our two ideas with our classmate, and we have to listen the other classmates' ideas. And listening from that other ideas, we have to select three ideas, very important three ideas, and we have to write here downside. Which three ideas from other classmates did you think were the most interesting? Which three ideas from other classmates did you think were the most interesting? Here three ideas as an example I write here. First of all, student of your class, Raj, whose name is Raj. Raj suggested to bring the blackboard in the center of the hall. First of all, Raj suggested to bring the blackboard that's shown in a picture. We have to put in the center of the hall. We have to put on center of the wall. So first of all, Raj suggested here the blackboard in the center of the hall. Bring blackboard center of the hall. Now second student, Deepak. Deepak suggested to form 3 rows of tables and chairs instead of 4. Now Deepak suggested to form 3 rows of table and chairs. Suggested to form 3 rows of tables and chairs instead of 4. Now Deepak suggested that things. Now last one, third idea is there. Isa suggested to paint the chairs and tables in a different color. Isa suggested to paint the chairs and tables in different colors. Okay, 3 ideas from our classmate we discussed here. Here our activity 5th completed. Now activity number 6 is based on that things we completed in our 5th activity. In a group, talk together about all the ideas for helping that your classmates wrote in the activity above. In a group, or talk together about all the ideas for helping that your classmate wrote in the activity above. In our activity 5th, we write our other classmates' ideas. We have to discuss all idea with our classmates and decide. Choose 5 ideas that everyone in your group agrees are interesting. From that our classmates' idea, we have to select 5 interesting ideas, and we have to write here 5 interesting ideas we have to select from our classmates' suggestions. So for example, I write here, my group thinks these 5 ideas are interesting. First one, the tables and chairs in the classroom should be set in semicircle. First of all, I like very much idea, is interesting idea. First of all, table and chair in the classroom should be set in a semicircle. We have to put ideas, chairs and tables in a semicircle form, means half round circle. We have to put it. First idea given by other students. First idea, interesting. Second idea, we can arrange the classroom in a coffee club format. Second idea is that we can arrange our classroom in a coffee club format. In a coffee shop you can visit many times. At that place you see that one table is there between, and around that table we have to arrange the chairs in round shape. It is like a coffee club format. Some students suggest that we have to arrange the classroom in a coffee club format. Second idea we discuss. Third idea, We must have a dustbin in our classroom and everyone should be compelled to use it in case for rubbish. Third idea is that we must have a dustbin in our classroom and everyone should be compelled to use it in case of rubbish. If rubbish is there, we have to throw that rubbish in our dustbin, classroom dustbin only. No one can throw here and there. Just we have to put only in our rubbish in the dustbin only. Third idea I like. Now fourth idea. The book or notebooks scattered on the floor are to be collected and put into the cupboard. What is this? The book or notebooks scattered. As you seen in the picture of classroom that books and notebooks are scattering here and there. So first of all we have to collect all the books and notebooks from the floor and put into the cupboard of our classroom. It's a fourth idea. Now fifth one. A strict rule should be made not to litter the classroom in any case. One strict rule we have to follow, that no one can litter on the floor of our classroom. Everybody have to follow that strict rules. So here 5 idea we feel interesting. Now next thing we have to discuss. Many ideas are interesting but not all ideas are easily done. Many ideas are very interesting but not all ideas are possible to do. Work with your group to rank the 5 interesting ideas from easiest to most difficult. Work with your group, discuss with your group, and you have to arrange the idea easiest to most difficult one. Ranking means to put in order. Ranking means here what? We have to put in order. Rank the easiest idea first, the next easiest second, the most difficult ideas should be number 5. To do should be number 5. In like that, in format we have to put it. First of all, easiest idea. First of all, easiest we have to write here. After that, easy idea. Then difficult idea. Then more difficult idea. And last, most difficult idea we have to write here. So first of all, as an example, I write first idea. Means easiest idea is there. Collect the books and notebooks from the floor and put them back into school bags. First idea I like, easiest idea we can do easily, that collect the books and notebooks that are scattering or lying on the floor. We have to collect it and put in our school bags. First idea is the easiest idea. Now second one easiest idea is that cleaning the floor. After that, second idea is cleaning the floor. We have to do cleaning of our surface in classroom. Third idea is there, means little bit difficult than others too. Arranging the classroom in proper order. Now we have to arrange the classroom in a proper order. It is a difficult than both. Now fourth idea is there, arranging furniture in different formats. Now we have to do arrange furniture in different formats as we like. We like as we can format furniture, table, chairs in a different way. It is a more difficult idea than other 3. And last most difficult idea is there, painting chairs and tables in a various colors. Painting chairs and tables in a various color is a most difficult idea. It is not a easy work, easy task. So it is a most difficult rank work. So from easiest to most difficult word we arrange all the ideas here. You have to write in your textbook. Okay, you have to complete it. Now next thing we have to understand. Now little one question is given here. How could your group work together to actually do the easiest idea for helping? How could your group work together to actually do the easiest idea for helping? How your group work this easiest idea and how he complete his ideas? Answer is given here. All of our group members will take a joint decision to collect the books and notebooks from the floor. From the floor. From the floor. All of our group members will take a joint decision to collect the books and notebooks from the floor or the ones lying on the table and will identify whom they belong to. We will give them back and ask them to put them into their bags or in the school cupboard. First of all, decision to collect the books from the scattering here and there from the floor. We have to collect it and asking the students which books is there. If anyone's book is there, we have to give it and he put into their respective bag. And remaining books we have to put in our cupboard, classroom cupboard. It's the answer of that question. Now activity 7 we have to do. Activity 7 is a little poem, Paints. Its heading is Paints, given by Illo Orleans. Illo Orleans poet write one little poem, Paints. Very interesting poem is given here. So poems heading is there, Paints. Poems heading is Paints and writer is Illo Orleans. We have to do little activity and very interesting activity here in that poem. Just first of all we have to understand the poem and then after I explain how to do your activity. First of all I explain the poem. We have to understand it. First stanza is there. When I put yellow paint on red, the colors change to orange instant. Now what's happened? When I put yellow paint on red, when I put yellow paint on red color, then what's happened? The color changed to orange instead. Both color mixed up, then orange color happen here. Both color, yellow color and red color mixed up, then it's become in a orange form. It's become in a orange form. So what's happened now here? Yellow color mix up with red color, it's become a orange color here. It's become orange color. So can you understand now first stanza of poem? Yes. Now next thing is there. And mixing blue and red, I get a pretty shade of violet. If I mix blue with red color, it's become a pretty shade of violet color. What's here? It's become violet color. If blue color is mixed with red color and it's become a violet color here. It's become a violet color here. So second stanza also over our poems. Now next line we have to understand it. Another trick that I have seen, yellow and blue turn into green. Now third one is there. If yellow color is mixed with blue color, it turn into green color. So here little poem is given here. Now last line we have to understand. There's a magic when my colors mix. It's a fun to watch them doing tricks. There's a magic when my color mix. When I mix up that colors, it's a become a magic and it's a fun to watch them doing tricks. And whenever you completed this activity, you feel very fun. In your textbook, student, here our poem over. First of all, poems explanation over. How to do this activity in your textbook, you have to just understand it. I think everybody have a watercolor at your home. First of all, yellow color, put brush on yellow color and put here little dot of yellow color. Then once again put your brush on red color, put it dot here and here both color you can mix and then it's a turn into orange color. If you put yellow color brush point, then red color and then mix up with it and it's become a orange color. Like that you have to put blue colors dot here, then red color dot here, mix up with two colors, it's become a violet color here. Now third, First of all, yellow colors dot you have to put here, then blue colors dot put here, then mix up both color and it's turned into green color. So you have to do activity in your textbook with watercolor in your textbook. Just try it. It's a very fun. It's a very interesting things. You can do it. So students, here we completed our activity 7. Now remaining lesson we have to discuss in our next video. Thank you for joining us.